in your own perspective, how do you find Davao City?
Okay. When I say that we want to live here, I mean that. And that I think speaks a lot about how I feel about the city. Alright, but let me just go into some details. First and foremost, the government here is something that I have not seen elsewhere. The response of the government, the support that the government is giving is so far top-notch. So, and we have been around. So, just a simple example is calling the Department of Tourism or the LGU or the different departments in the government here to ask about something. Sa amin, when you call, I tell my staff, the telephone should ring only twice. You pick up, okay? So we do that. You call the governments, okay, I don't want to say which city, other cities, not Davao.
Okay.
You call. You start calling 8 o'clock in the morning, you finish calling 5 p.m. in the afternoon, you do not get a reply at all. You think na siguro naka-silent lang ng telepono nila. No? Here, dalawang ring may sasagot. Sometimes, we do understand, especially nung Kadayawan, everybody was busy.
Yes.
Sometimes, mga 5 rings, 6 rings, walang nasagot, medyo busy din kami. So, we put the phone down. But, surprisingly, 5-10 minutes after, we get a return call from that department, from the government. Nowhere else, ma'am. I tell you, na magre-return call pa ang government ninyo to check, we got a missed call. May I know what is your concern? At saka lahat sila, mabuhay o madayaw. Di ba? Alam mo. So, that's one thing. Talagang ang galing. Unbelievable ang management ng government dito. So, that's one. And another thing, even if you go out at late night, yung safety ng city, no? Maybe it is something that is not, properly advertised to other cities, no? Meron sigurong stigma before na ganito, ganyan. Pero kasi si Ochi, mga 2:00 ng madaling araw, nagugutom yan. Okay? So sasabihin niya, maghanap tayo ng makakainan. Dito maglalakad lang kami dyan sa labas. It's very safe. Okay? So, you feel safe here in the city, and it is something na we do not regret setting up our first Mindanao leg here in Davao. And again, I reiterate, kung meron po ay kung alam na matitirhan, pero si Ma'am Jean lagi kami pinapatira dito kasi. Pero nakakahiya na, di ba? Pwede na kami tumira dito sa Davao, Carlo. So, we love the place. Thank you. Thank you so much.